Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, and now we're providing an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of November, 2024, our system has classified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.05. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has encountered a loss of 14.18%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.18% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated decline of approximately 8.51% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decrease of 26.07% to an increase of 27.08%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 4.49% over the coming year, with possible returns varying between a drop of 9.37% and a rise of 159.48%. This suggests a price range between 25.49 and 72.97 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, Volatile Ride for SOXL ETF Price on Tuesday, moving between 27.46 and 30.23. The SOXL ETF price saw a decline of 4.16% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, dropping from 29.34 to 28.12. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 10.09%, with a low of 27.46 and a high of 30.23. The price has been oscillating during this period, resulting in an 11.2% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could indicate an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. A total of 71 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.8, and the lowest price reached $21.29. Currently, the price stands at 59.87%, or $41.96, below the 52-week high, and 92.57%, or $350.12, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3 Times Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, has demonstrated a volatile yet intriguing investment opportunity within the semiconductor sector. With a remarkable return of nearly 400% from late October 2023 through July 2024, SOXL has established itself as one of the standout funds over the last decade, boasting an astounding increase of over 2,085% since its inception. However, as we approach the end of the year, recent trends indicate a sharp downturn, with shareholder value having dropped by approximately 50% since the highs of July. This volatility presents significant risks in the short term, particularly as technical indicators suggest a challenging landscape for semiconductor stocks. Market analysts observe that insider selling could indicate caution from those with the most insight into the company's future prospects, which might further influence investor sentiment. Despite the recent downturn, the semiconductor industry remains fundamentally robust, driven by ongoing demand in cloud computing and artificial intelligence applications. As semiconductor sales continue to rise, exchange-traded funds like SOXL offer opportunities for traders seeking to capitalize on this growth. Nevertheless, prospective investors should carefully consider the risks associated with high volatility against the potential for substantial returns, especially in light of fluctuating market conditions and earnings reports from major companies like Intel and Advanced Micro Devices, which could impact SOXL's performance. Looking ahead, if the growth of the semiconductor industry maintains its momentum, SOXL could experience a rebound. However, vigilance will be essential as the effects of rate cuts and the continuing demand for artificial intelligence technologies unfold. In the long term, those with a high risk tolerance may find SOXL's leveraged exposure appealing, while more conservative investors might explore alternatives that offer a more balanced risk-return profile. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 15, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 5.48%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The SOXL ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $28.16 and $32.91. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 158 days ago. The short-term moving average has issued a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 90 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 80 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $27.43, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.77, which accounts for 10.09%. During the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 6.61%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $30.07. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $27.43. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of November, we anticipate that SOXL will open higher by approximately 483 thousandths and start trading at $28.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.